drag racing, I'm pull out the dodgeball. We're covered for right now. Your team is signed up for that. Cover four, I've got Single Lions, Killer Whales, Street Motion, Trap House, and DQ. Oh, yeah, yeah. Stuff like that.
Yeah, man, that's crazy, man.
Too crazy. All right.
I know it is, bro. I'm already knowing it is. Cause I be on American Muscle a lot, man. And I be watching the videos. I'm gonna get my YouTube channel too. But yeah, man, they on there, man, long tube hitters is like extremely loud with catback exhaust, bro.
Yeah, I got Roush's on.
What y'all think that is? Don't know what it is, dog.
That's V6.
Bro, that's Gotti, dog. Let's do it.
Yes, so right now we're going to set up the dodgeball. It'll take them just a minute. Just a reminder, the beer gardens are open. That is the red tent there. They are selling beer.
Yeah, that was very green.
Yeah, because we
It's too much.
Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry.
said I wanted some help for my food. You can do it for me next week.
You gotta do the husbands versus the wives. Red line and set. We ready? Last one, y'all. Get set. Go.
there you have it. Another car show for Texarkana, Arkansas. Y'all let me know what y'all think. There go my baby, of course. That blue GT. And shout out to all the other GT owners out there.
DJ Esco.
I remember it was New Year's. We was in the studio when I did Chosen. My nigga Double D was there. I started saying Louis V Chinchilla because he had the chinchilla and shit. Real. You know what I'm saying? It's that super future, 5 Martial future Hendrix. You know the wizard, you understand me? You dig what I'm saying, man? Harlem, get anything. DJ Eskimo City, no hardly forget anything, you know. Hey, caught a nigga to the dirt, Margiela my fur, almost overdosing on perks, waking up drinking that syrup, Billy Spur with the curtains, Balenciaga's my proteges, I wear them shits like Michael J's. Watch the Molly down with champagne, watch the Xanny down with syrup, yeah. Hope it take away all this damn pain. Hope it take away all this damn pain. Harlem, get anything. No, hardly forget anything. Hey. Cracking the bushes, I'm tryna buy me a new 88 Cutlass Supreme. Every day hustling, I gotta go get it. I gotta get Wu-Tang, man, gotta get cream. Long as they print it, my niggas gon' get it. All of my love, I gave it to my city. All of that game you gave me, can't forget it. All that finesse you gave me, ain't forget it. I turned the whole world up, now they wanna treat me like an outcast or something. These niggas so broke, instead of going get it, they rather go ask for something. Remember them days I had to load it up and put on my mask for something. Remember we jug for something. Remember we take